What's good, family? Welcome back to another video, and we are talking crypto. Now, we understand that the market has been, for Bitcoin specifically, it's been consolidating for the past 2 months, and all of altcoins have literally been dumping for the past 2 months. Now, just because altcoins have been dumping doesn't mean that we're not still on an uptrend. Now, if you have chosen an altcoin that has utility behind it, like XRP and Cardano, you should be good, because with the adoption of Bitcoin, that's only going to give the leeway for Cardano and XRP and other altcoins that have utility behind it to be adopted by the US government. We understand that overall, fundamentally, for the crypto market, that we are bullish. Reason being is that Trump is pro-crypto, and he is also putting other candidates who are pro-crypto within the government to adopt it in different areas and figure out how crypto can be used for their benefit, so they can be ahead on the crypto race that the world is going to end up coming to, because Trump clearly stated that he wants America to be the crypto capital of the world. Now, that is just the fundamental basis of why we are bullish on crypto. Now, technically, like I said, I made a video 2 days ago, but I didn't post it because I didn't have the charts here to show you guys exactly what I was talking about. What I'm saying now is that ADA, that's a coin that I'm currently invested in. And ADA came to a 61.8 retracement area. What that means is 61.8, it retraced itself 61.8% from the high that it created. So from the high, it retraced 61.8%, and this is known as a PRZ level, meaning a price reversal zone, to continue to the uptrend, to make another higher high. Now, we're looking at this on the higher time frame. Like I said, monthly, we're on an uptrend. Weekly, we have formed a shorter time frame downtrend, and this is where a lot of people may get very, very scared and take all their profits out, because from the top of the market that it just created, a lot of people, if you invested at the top, you're down 60% of your portfolio. But this is why understanding the technicals behind it is very, very important. So we're about to get into the technicals right now. So look it, we're able to see right here. Follow me, okay? This is the weekly time frame. We formed this double bottom over here. This is way back when. This is way back in 2023. We formed this double bottom. We broke the double bottom, created a higher high. Boom. So now from this low, created a higher high compared to this low, compared to this lower high, and then we created a higher low, and now we created a higher high. So on the weekly time frame, we're on an uptrend. On the monthly time frame, which is even stronger, the higher the time frame, the stronger the data, we're also on an uptrend, because we have this double bottom right over here. Boom, boom, break of that structure, came back, retested it, and created another higher high. So this is exactly where we're drawing the Fibonacci from. We're going to draw the Fibonacci from this low right over here to this high. And we're able to see we have this huge wick, okay? But the bodies of the candle are respecting the 61.8 retracement area. Now, to get even more technical, let's go to the daily time frame. We have this big wick, which was needed. And I actually had this red box marked out even before this wick came here. Reason being is that we're able to see this huge Marubozu candle right here, meaning that this is just straight buying volume. Straight buying. There's no wick to the upside, there's no wick to the downside. And this candle right here, so much buying volume in that candle itself. It's like I knew the probabilities of price pushing up from that area was very high, because previously that's where a lot of people were buying. There's so much buying volume there. All right, now right at the 61.8 area, we have a daily tweezer bottom. A tweezer bottom, daily engulfing candle, however you want to call it. Right at this 61.8 area, we can go down to the 4-hour time frame now. We're able to see that we have our first 4-hour break of structure. We had this 4-hour downtrend here. And right here is the first time we were able to break out of it. That was our first time that we broke the 4-hour structure. If we're able to look even all the way to up here, since what is this? Since January 17th, it's been a straight 4-hour downtrend. We have never broken structure until this moment right here. Until that moment right there is where I was able to see, okay, bet. Not only that, we broke back above the 4-hour 66 MA, which we haven't done also since the 17th. We respected it right here, which continued to push us downward. But right here is where we were able to break over it. We broke out of this descending wedge. There's so many bullish indications right now for the market to be shifting to the upside on ADA. Now, what would I say? I would say, me personally, the route that I'm going is I'm investing an amount of money that if I lose, it will not affect my lifestyle. But if I win, my lifestyle will greatly enhance. Materialistically, of course. You get what I'm saying? There's going to be a lot of things that you can do with a lot of money. You get what I'm saying? But ever since then, we broke out of that descending wedge, the 61.8 retracement area, and we're continuing to push to the upside. Now, this is the cryptocurrency market. For all I know, we can absolutely just freaking dump even further. But for all the reasons I just gave you, this can be a good time. I say that the market is currently shifting more towards the upside. And not only that, when we're able to look on the weekly time frame, we have certain major levels, major zones, okay? We're able to see that this zone, this black line was being respected. We pushed up from this black line. We pushed down from this black line. And in the same instance, we pushed down from this black line. Now, what is happening right here? So we came to the upper black line right here. We pushed down from it. We pushed back up from this black line. And we almost broke and closed below this black line, but we're pushing back above. So our next target areas, like I said, this can be the continuation to make a higher high. And the Fibonacci will say that this will be the negative 27% is like the first, target for that Fibonacci. But I'm saying we break out of this black line right here, we're going at $2, if not all-time highs. Now, it really depends on how aggressive the market becomes, how volatile the market becomes, because we can even absolutely blow past the 3.1 within like the next couple of weeks or next couple of months, depending on, what happens, what news comes out, how aggressive people are within these markets. But I'm just making this video because this is the first time I can say that I can see the market starting to shift from this 2-month downtrend that we've been on.